Manny Pacquiao, you're not on my level. Manny Pacquiao, you will never be on my level. Period. I was born to win. I was born a winner, I'm gonna die a winner.
I thought he went down to stop the assault. But in the scoring of the fight, it won't be a knockdown.
I don't think it's going to go to 12 rounds.
Hard right hands by Corley. 2 in a row. Mayweather took him very well. Going back really well. Comes back with some body shots of his own. What a fourth round.
This is a fierce round. Give Corley credit. That right hand stunned Mayweather. And now give Mayweather credit for pulling himself together to take control later. And there was another, a left hand.
Pangalawa sa listahan ay noong nakaharap niya ang kaliwiting si Zab Judah noong 2006 na makikitang talagang napatukod si Floyd Mayweather sa lona pero hindi ito nakita ng referee at hindi nabilangan.
Called it a knockdown, but I don't know if it would have been a 2-point round. And I believe Judah won the round.
He's got Mayweather hurt. Crowd is going wild for Judah. He landed a straight left cross flush.
Right hand to the chin. That's what started the problems. And then later on you see him land another right hand. Not so clean, but it landed just enough to hurt him because of the fact that he was already dizzy. Right at the temple.
Pang-apat malakas sa kanya pero may pinangalanan pa rin siyang boxer na tila di niya makakalimutan sa sobrang lakas nito. Sabi pa niya, Sabado noong 2009 natamaan niya ako ng malakas pero 2014 mas malakas sumuntok si Maidana.
On that Saturday in 2009, he hit me the hardest, but then shit, Maidana made in 2015, I mean, was it 2014, I'm like, shit, Magandang may hit hard. So, different years, different fighters.
Sa sinabi niya, alam nating nayanig si Floyd Mayweather sa suntok ni Maidana na talagang sa tingin ko, kung hindi lang na-save by the bell, ay talagang mamantsahan na ang malinis na kartada ni Floyd Mayweather. Pero sa sinabi niyang noong Sabado ng 2009 ay napaisip ako mga pre kung sino. Base sa record ni Floyd Mayweather, isa lang ang naging laban niya noong 2009 at yun ay naganap noong September 19, 2009 na eksaktong Sabado din. At yun ang laban niya kay Juan Manuel Dinamita Marquez. Di niya pinangalanan si Mosley, Judah o kahit si Manny Pacquiao, pero di niya nakalimutan ang eksaktong petsa ng laban nila ni Juan Dinamita Marquez. Siguro natamaan si Floyd Mayweather ng malakas pero di lang natin nakita o napansin na nayanig na pala siya. Sa tingin mo pre, si Juan Marquez nga ba ang tinutukoy ni Floyd Mayweather? Pero nung tinanong siya kung kaninong laban siya mas nahirapan, isang pangalan lang ang binanggit niya. Ito ay si Emmanuel Agustos, ang tinaguriang dead ranking master ng boxing na naganap noong 2009.
The toughest fight. The toughest fight. Emmanuel Augustus. Emmanuel Augustus. When I fought him, his name was Emmanuel Burton. Emmanuel Augustus.
Not a smart idea. But the big thing that Burton knew is that he couldn't outbox Floyd, so he has to create a war situation. Punch, he needs his chin right there in the air to be hit, and that's exactly how Burton's catching him. As you see right there, he throws a punch instead of ducking behind his shoulder. He needs his chin in the air.
Try to slow him down.
You go right to the body early from round one. You do not allow his speed. You're going to get to watch that comeback. He's taking the shots. It's like you're in the middle to feel his punching power, but still, it's the breakdown.
Mayweather is short, crisp. Burton though coming right back. This one definitely a slugfest.
Bagamat